That dreadful, dark, and most stormy night, the rain was falling fast. The thunder rolled and the lightning flashed, leaving destruction is past. As we all hastened right on our way for home and rest at night. But before that storm was over, you know, so many were killed outright. That mighty storm was sweeping across, making so many miles per hour, carrying a long ride with it to a river of drenching power. Then came a mighty sudden crash that brought us both pain and death. And in the minds of the living yet, I'm sure they will never forget. There's many a grieved and sad heart we know in the town of Cherry today, whose loved ones we know who can never return to drive all the gloom away. Was a dreadful and most horrible sight amidst all the pouring down rain. Some who were dead and some dying too, suffering most death and pain. No tongue can never live to tell how bad, no pen can ever write. No one will know but those living yet the horror of that night. By the little town by the name of Cherry Hill, they all seem bright and gay. When just like a flash the master called, he had no time to pray. For it came right along in the moment of time, the awful work was done. And many souls were called